This has rosemary and clove infused water.
It's very important to season your hair first. She tied her head with her head. Shout out to me, all my idea. Part 2.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, Divine Mix. I am still here with Emperor Nonya and we did our best to do my makeup, which is still on, thankfully. And now we're just gonna go and do a simple, very simple hairstyle.
All about my hands and still looking like a rabbit. And no longer looking like a rabbit.
Of course, because we have to do our hair, so we have to get it out the way.
Alright, firstly, we have to whisk our hair.
This has rosemary and clove infused water.
It's very important to season your hair first.
Season it and let it marinate a bit.
Perfect. And delicious.
Okay. And I got my... Do you know what type of brush this is?
Comb brush, anyway.
It's a 𝓼𝓾𝓻𝓷 brush.
Which man?
𝓼𝓾𝓻𝓷.
Alright, we're gonna put your hair back.
I think I'm just gonna do a basic bun.
And cheese.
Oh, that sounds so...
Shout out to my Korean people for the butter cheese. Alright.
Because it's in a spice bun, it's so different. What there's not a lot of spice buns in many places, you know?
Shout out to my old people who know the Spice Girls.
The Spice Girls are still coming back, you know?
You buy me no tickets?
I don't know if they're doing shows, but...
You see how my roommate treats me? Anyhow, get the whole wall wet with your hair. Infuse with rosemary. It's pretty good. It's pretty. It's spread all the way across. Because the walls ain't painted enough. We have to ensure that it smells like rosemary.
I think, should I have some hair out?
I think the rosemary needs to come out the wall. But understood, yeah.
Curl it up a bit, right?
Perfect. Look like an elf.
Some curls in the front. Ooh.
My arm is injured and it's due to this person. As you can see, nothing is safe. Not the wall, not my shoulder, not his seat. But at least her hair looks great.
Thank you.
Shout out to my people who kiss their teeth. Alright. Pull it back. I used to go do that before my hairline got ruined.
I'm trying to smooth it down right now.
And as you know, she's using a derma roller right now to encourage her
No, it's a 𝓼𝓾𝓻𝓷 brush.
There's no dead man inside this place.
Scratch.
And if there is, you don't pay rent.
Oh.
Alright, now wrap it up.
I use the scrunchie. Use the scrunchie. Just to make sure you know.
Very defensive. Anyhow, now we're going to put a clay mask on her hair.
This is moisturizing hair butter.
And now we continue seasoning the hair with butter. Perfect. Very glossy, delicious. There we go. Ready for 350 degrees. Now rotate.
Just gonna keep this part a bit messy.
Alright, now to make the bun. The rosemary and thyme is enough. The bun has to be there.
I have to turn it around. Oh my gosh. Okay, see? So what I did is I twist a little bit and I just go bam. Right?
We all know how to make a croissant.
Croissants are hard.
It's pretty good. So
And then this.
it's a lockpick.
It's
What? Shout out to the people who play Skyrim.
a bobby pin.
Who's Bobby?
This is a bobby pin.
Live
And then I just put 2. Sometimes I'll put 4. And I'll
She's
hold
greedy.
that for my hair butter.
The seasoning is never done.
Seasoning is never done.
And now we have the drop curls that attach outside of her head for good reception. Her Wi-Fi is excellent.
Thank you. I think my hair is too long for these curls. Should I okay.
Bug life.
Bug life, make it be.
Shout out to my aunts. There's billions.
I think I'm just gonna have that.
Now tie your hair with your hair.
No, I just put it on here.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know who the expert is. Don't listen to her.
Cause look, see now it's dropping a little bit cute curls in the back.
Best friend, I'm gonna lie. You look good for some reason. She tied her hair with her hair. Shout out to me. All my idea. Alright, now we're gonna get our wax.
This is our edge control. And this is
A toothbrush.
the edge brush.
Shout out to all the people who brush their teeth today. I know it's not many of you. It's YouTube.
And then I just like to do
Try to look like a baby.
No. I just like to do this because I feel like it actually puts everything together.
And we all know those are called baby hairs.
Those are called baby hairs.
Alright, now we inspect our forehead. That's a little bit too small.
My forehead's not too small.
Ladies and gentlemen, put in the comments if you think your forehead is too small.
My forehead's
We're dropping poll.
So this, I think this is good, right? Look,
Now, can we go with ice cream?
even from the back, it looks pretty good. It's like a nice big bun. Cause I didn't twist it too tight, so it's fluffier.
She tied her hair with her hair. Can we go get ice cream?
Yes, it's good looking.
Perfect.
So this is my little quick and easy hair bun tutorial kind of thing with the help of Emperor Nonya. Thank you for helping me out, Emperor Nonya. I do feel your expertise.
I've tied my hair with my hair before as well.
I'm proud of you. So thank you everybody for watching. And if you really like these,
Go get some ice cream.
go get some ice cream and let me know down in the comments so that way I can hopefully convince Emperor Nonya to come back and record more of these with me with all his expertise.
So you're gonna make my happen already.
We're not doing that, but thank you so much.
Wow.